Hello friends, in this episode we will be changing the rear shock absorbers on a Volkswagen Passat B8. In the description or at the end of this video you will also find the episode on changing the front shock absorbers. This task is much quicker and easier, making it ideal for a beginner, so let's get to work. Remove the wheel and place it under the car as a safety measure. If you have a jack stand, it's a good idea to use that as well. On the outside of the shock absorber you can see traces of leakage, indicating that it is faulty. To access the upper bolts of the shock absorber, you will need to remove the wheel arch liner secured with several T20 screws. Now we can remove the two 16mm upper bolts. Next, you just need to remove the 18mm nut from the lower bolt. Remove the bolt and that's it. You can already take out the shock absorber. Use a screwdriver to remove this cap. Next, you need to remove the 16mm nut from the top of the shock absorber, counter-holding the shaft with an adjustable wrench to remove the mount and the dust boot. Remove the nut from the new shock absorber and use the mount to prime it by pressing it 5-6 times. Now we can install the mount together with the dust boot and tighten the nut. All that's left is to install the new shock absorber. If the bolts don't reach the holes, you can use a jack to lift the mount to the desired level. We tighten the upper bolt to a torque of 60 Nm. Hand tighten the nut on the lower bolt because final torquing is done after lowering the car. Lower the jack. Install the wheel arch liner. Install the wheel. Release the electric parking brake. Go back under the car, tighten the nut to a torque of 70 Newton meters, and you're done. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for free, and leave a comment with your thoughts on the episode. Until the next tutorial, we wish you all the best. Goodbye.